The endocrine system is defined as a collection of glands that secrete hormones that are essential for various bodily purposes, including metabolism, development, mood, as well as sexual and reproductive function. These hormones are the body's chemical messengers who transfer information and instructions in a chain-like sequence from one cell to another. Though hormones reside in the bloodstream moving through it, each type of hormone is designed to affect only certain cells. It does this by selecting and removing materials from the blood, processing them, then secreting them into specific sections of the body.
As mentioned, the endocrine system affects almost every organ and cell in the body. So let's explore how the endocrine system fits in the human body. Please select one of the following organs to learn more about it. Don't worry, you can always go back and reselect another one.
The hypothalamus lies below the thalamus, and it is a small cone-shaped structure that spirals downwards from the brain. The hypothalamus is a section of the brain which is responsible for the production of many of the body's essential hormones that control different cells and organs. Hypothalamus function is it regulates hunger, thirst, sleep, and wakefulness. The hypothalamus also regulates certain mechanisms such as body temperature, with its primary function being homeostasis.
The pituitary gland is located inside the brain and controls all other endocrine glands. By overseeing other glands and keeping hormone levels in check, the pituitary gland influences growth, metabolism, and regeneration. The hormones released by the pituitary gland are gonadotropins, growth hormone, thyroid-stimulating hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, prolactin, antidiuretic hormone, and oxytocin.
The pineal gland is a pea-sized cone-like mass of tissue, which lies at the back of the third ventricle of the brain, releasing a hormone-like substance within humans. The pineal gland has certain functions such as secreting melatonin, the hormone mentioned before, which regulates certain endocrine functions. Melatonin controls the body's sleepiness and wakefulness. The pineal gland is also known as the third eye, as it helps the brain move from a sleeping state to a state of wakefulness.
The thyroid gland helps the regulation of energy and metabolism within the human body. The thyroid gland is located in the front of the trachea in the neck. The thyroid plays a vital role around metabolism, growth, and the maturation of sexual organs. The thyroid regulates the body function by constantly releasing a steady amount of hormones into the bloodstream. The gland is divided by two lobes, left and right, and is connected in the middle by a thin bridge of thyroid tissue known as isthmus.
The parathyroid is a gland that secretes hormones needed for calcium absorption. The parathyroid is made up of 4 tiny glands located in the neck. The gland is important for controlling the body's calcium levels. These 4 tiny glands produce a hormone called parathyroid hormone, PTH, which raises the blood calcium level. This is done by breaking down the bone, where most calcium is stored, and causing calcium release, and increasing the kidney's ability to hold on to calcium that would otherwise be lost in urine.
The adrenal glands are located above the kidneys. They regulate metabolic processes in cells, water balance, blood pressure, and etc. It is known most famously for secreting adrenaline, a compound released when your body goes into fight or flight mode. Alongside this, it produces various other compounds, including cortisol, a hormone used for metabolism that allows the body to deal with stress. The pancreas is a glandular organ positioned in the upper abdomen. The pancreas secretes insulin and glucagon. Both insulin and glucagon play a vital role in the regulation of carbohydrate, protein, and lipid metabolism.
The The ovaries/testes influence the blood flow in the body. They are also responsible for creating a person's sex drive, establishes mental vigor, the secretion of hormones, male testosterone, female estrogen, and progesterone, which ensure proper development of the human body. A woman's ovaries are oval-shaped and are located on both sides of the uterus, below the opening of the fallopian tubes. The male's testes are egg-shaped and hang in a pouch of skin called scrotum, outside the male's body. Both male and female's hormones affect the reproductive systems.